Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Preeti's Needle and Thread. In the previous video, we had learned the structure of a chain in Kutch work. Now we are going to learn the second part of this stage, that is to fill the chain. For that we are going to start with a second thread, that is a second color thread. I had taken the red color. For this very first, as we did in the single flower, we are going to start it from the center of this square or the diamond. Very first we are going to do it in the upper side, then rotating it to the down side and then over here. The most important rules in this Kutch work is every time we take the needle should go from the downside of the thread and the direction will be fixed according to the structure, which will not be changed. So very first we will start from the V. In the V, this is the downside thread, so we will take the needle from here and it will be rotating to this direction. Now this line is downside, so we will take the thread from here. The second point while rotating the thread we have to take in consideration is the opposite side, or the thread goes in direction, we have to go in that way. From here, now this is the last point, so we are going to take a turn over here. This line is upside, that's why we are not going to take it under it. This is the line which is from down, so we will take it over here. Again the thread is going in this direction, so this line, this is upside, we have to take a turn. So this is the line downside, we will take it from here. Taking a turn, this line is downside, we will take the white line down and the red line to be downside. Again this white thread is upside and the white thread, this one is to the downside, so we will take it over here. And it will continue till here. So now we are at the end of this line. Now as usual I had took the last one and I have to take a turn, so this line is considered as this one. This line is continuing over here, but it is a half line, that means I have to take a turn because it is a V over there. So while taking a V, this line is downside. The red line over here, I have to check, it is upside, so I will take it to downside. I have to pick up the line which is down and put the line down, press the line down which is upside. Again in the same manner the thread goes to opposite side, so it is going over here. This V, it will rotate. Again V is there, so it is taking a turn. The line goes to this side, the opposite line. So this one is upside, this line is upside line, and this is the downside line. See, this is the downside line, so we are going to take the needle from the downside line. Before taking the needle to the downside line, this red line is up, gone down, so I have to lift this one and then go in the further. Over here again this red line has to be pressed down, so the line in front of it, again it comes over here. Taking a round, this line has to be pressed down, this red line has to be picked up. Again the opposite line is to the upper side, so I am not going to pick it up, it has to be pressed down. Then we have to take a turn, so this line has to be picked up, the red line has to be pressed, and so on. I am at the end of the line. The stitch is going one and the same. Picking up, down. Again this part, and here I have to take a turn. I have to press this red line and then put the needle down inside the cloth after the red thread. So this is how we get squares, a proper checkered in every diamond, and our stitch is complete. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.